Product Insight is the tool that enables CAD users, engineers, to connect Creo directly to Thingworx. What does that really mean, and what benefit does that give? What Thingworx does is it captures data streams coming from sensors from products in the field that are being used. Well, as an engineer, wouldn't it be good if I could understand exactly what that prototype is doing? Be able to replay all the sensor readings inside my CAD system, have my CAD system update to the actual values, the actual use cases, and then be able to take that information and drive my CAD model, maybe even optimize my CAD model, but certainly be able to perform analysis on my model based upon actual usage rather than assumed usage. When products are out in the field, and you're a company that is building smart connected products, if you're capturing this information, you've got a plethora of knowledge out there. What you want to be able to do is reuse and repurpose that knowledge. Being able to understand, not from just one product, but from entire families of products, how they're being used in the field, and enabling me to make the correct engineering and design decisions moving forward.